Introducing the 2021 Skoda Superb C Ambition 2.0 TDI DSG. This stunning white estate is packed with features for comfort, safety and style. With a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, this car is perfect for any journey. From air conditioning to rear armrests, Bluetooth phone to LED lights, this Skoda has it all. Plus, with ABS, multiple airbags and a collision avoidance system, you can drive with peace of mind. And don't forget about the chrome package and roof rails for added style. This vehicle also comes with a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Visit burnscarsales.ie or call us today for more information.